Here I've got Samsung Galaxy S20 and let me show you how to turn off this device. So you've got two possibilities. Let's start with the first one. Smoothly slide down the upper bar, click on the power icon and then select power off. Confirm that you would like to shut down your device by tapping on power off again. And that's it. As you can see, it's shut down. So let me activate it again and then we will come along with the second method. And that's it. So we just switch off the device using the upper bar, and now we will do it in the second way. So all you have to do is to tap on Bixby button and volume down key and hold both keys all together. And now you will have the same menu, so just click on power off and confirm that you would like to shut down your device. And that's it. As you can see now it's switched off, so that will be all. And just pick the method that you like the most and switch off your device whenever you need to. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.